Oh, hey, I'm just getting ready to go out. Ow, see, that's why I should be wearing my glove. I just like burned the out of my hand. Check out my new princess worthy curling set. It's pink. I feel like I'm 16 again and I just got the best Christmas gift ever. Opens up into a hanger organizer type dealie. Base and 9 other attachments. It's also got a hot glove to protect your hand and a little storage bag for the wand. Here's the base. It's got a nice, fairly long cord. The wand itself has a lock and an unlock. So you just turn this little part here to the correct image. So this is unlocked and then it's locked. So you'd be able to slide in an attachment and then you would lock it in. So I'm gonna start with the smaller barrel curler. This tool gets really hot really fast. I definitely recommend using the heat protecting gloves, the pink one that I'm wearing. It comes in the set so that you can actually curl all the way to the end of your hair and not hurt your little fingies. The base has a 360 swivel. You can twist and turn as much as you want and you won't get it all tangled up. My hair is super thin, and so I use the 360 setting, I think, but it goes all the way up to 450 if you've got really coarse hair, and it also goes down to like 180, I think, if you want to use a super low temp. This is such a great idea for a gift. I remember very distinctly being like a tween and wanting so badly to have every type of hair curler and straightener and everything that I could put my hands on. And if my mom had gotten me this, I would have been so excited to get ready for school in the morning. It's kind of rare that I have the patience to actually do this. Turned it off by holding down the on button. Now I'm going to see what it looks like when I brush it out. I would definitely recommend this to my friends. I really like the way that everything turned out. I think it's a really powerful tool, and I would get it again.